Good afternoon, boys and girls, and welcome to Dr. Jet's Computer, where we're going to look at the 1/20th Atlas laser cutting plans. And as you recall, a couple of videos ago, I said I was going to look for enough people to order one of these kits that it would make it worthwhile to buy plywood and have the laser guy do the laser cutting. So I thought I'd show you what we got here and what my plans are. So the longest piece here is this stringer, and it's a little over 17 inches. So to get it in a 15-inch shipping envelope, I can take this out and put it at a 45-degree angle and tape it to a piece of cardboard inside that flat envelope. Or I'll do that with both of the stringers, and then along this line that remains, I can break this half and this half off separately and put those in the same envelope. So I can ship an envelope to Europe for somewhere around $40 or $50. Another thing, excuse me. Another thing here, folks, is I gave you a bunch of extra nut plates, a bunch of extra servo mounts. I gave you extra motor mounts, and I'm going to fill in a lot of this empty space with more nut plates and servo mounts that you can use in other applications. So there it is, boys and girls, kind of quick and dirty. This screen recorder freaks out with my cursor. I don't know if it's still moving. I can see the cursor moving, but I don't know if you can. So until next time, jet out.